Do you want to know how to get paid to eat? Then this video is for you. My name is Michael and I love testing different ways to make some extra money, and sometimes I come across some really interesting and fun methods, and in this video I will talk about how you potentially can get paid to eat, because it is really possible to do for everyone, and I will show you 4 ways to potentially do that in this video. So before I go over the 4 methods I want to show you, I first want to talk a bit about who this is for, because it's important to understand that I'm not talking about something like becoming a competitive eater or something like that will require quite a bit. I'm talking about just regularly eating, something anyone can do. That's the kind of opportunities I will show you in this video, and you can find ways to get paid for that. It's not a way to make a living or anything like that, but some of the opportunities do pay quite decent, and it can be a fun and delicious way to earn some extra money at the same time. So it's 4 different methods I will show you, and you can use all of them for inspiration, and some of them might not be available in your exact location, but then just use it as inspiration and look for that particular opportunity, like search for it and search for it in your location, because there are many options like this all over the world in many different locations in many different cities. You just need to know what to look for, and that's what I will show you, and I will show you some really great examples also so you can easily get started. But let's now get started with the first option. The first option is to become a food mystery shopper. This can be definitely fun. You can get paid to go, for example, to restaurants and then share feedback. This is companies that want to know about your experience. You need to go test certain restaurants maybe, and definitely fun way to earn some extra money. Usually they do pay quite decently, and of course they also pay for whatever you buy there. One platform where you can find jobs like this is coilhospitality.com, and go to evaluators, and there you can sign up to become a mystery shopper. You can see you can do this on hotels and restaurants and resorts and cruises, and you can even do it while traveling. And as you can also see, they have clients in more than 70 different countries, so there's a good chance you can find opportunities in your area. So this is just one example of a place to find food mystery shopping jobs. Another option is Market Force. Also, they sometimes do have jobs you can find to become a shopper, mystery shopper, for example, where you can go out and eat, share your experiences. How it works is usually that you will get a specific task, place you need to go to. Do you need to order something special? Do you need to ask about certain things? And then just take a note of it and share your experiences. They have certain documents usually you need to provide, and it's fairly easily, and they pay quite decently also for these tasks. So food mystery shopping, definitely a great and fun option. But let's also move on to the next type of way to get paid to eat. The next option is to become a food taster or a food tester. Many companies are looking for people to do this. You can see one example is called contract testing. Here right now they have where you, for example, can get paid to test soups or cookies or soft drinks, all kind of things, and give you feedback about it, and you will get paid by doing this. And I have also tried, not this particular company, but other ways where I got to test and share my feedback about new types of candy, and then I got paid at the same time. It can definitely be quite interesting. So if this particular website doesn't offer opportunities in your location, then just search for food tasting or food taster in your specific city, for example, and you will find that quite often there are opportunities like this, and definitely you can get to taste some new interesting stuff and get paid at the same time. And that's definitely also a great option. And we have 2 more ways where you can get paid to eat. So the next option is to get cash back whenever you go out and eat. And if you use the right options for this, then you can, no matter where you go, get some cash back. And that means that whatever you spend when you go out anyways, you will get some of that money back. One option that is great for this is MyPoints. MyPoints is, however, only available in the US or Canada, but if you live there, it gives really great cashback offers. You can, for example, go to the deal sections or then search for the categories and go to the food and drink option. But you can also find cashback about basically any other category. But if you're interested in getting cashback no matter where you go out and eat, then getting something like Crypto.com's debit card can definitely be worth it. I have a whole video where I talk about this debit card. I will leave a link in the top corner, because there you can get up to 8% cashback whenever you shop, and it's a Visa card, so wherever you can use a Visa card, whenever you use this card, you will earn percentage back. The exact percentage will depend on your membership level, but I explain all that in the full video. I'll leave a link in the top corner as mentioned, so you can check that out. But that's definitely a great opportunity, great cashback option for sure. But there are many different great cashback options. I have a full list with the best cashback sites. I will leave a link below, so you can also go there and find all the options like that, so you can find the right ones for you and for your location. But if you ever go out and eat, then why not get cashback at the same time? Or you can also just use it whenever you shop online in general, or even offline if you use an option like Crypto.com's card, for example. The last option is that when you go out and eat, then you get receipts, and you can get paid to scan those receipts. And that's not only for restaurant visits, sometimes it's also for visits to different shops and supermarkets and things like that. And I have also a full video where I talk more about 9 different ways where you can get paid to scan and upload receipts. I will leave a link in the top corner of this video, so you can check that out if this sounds like something for you. The first couple of options, of course, is more where you actively get paid to eat, but this is an extra way to earn a bit extra when you go out and eat anyways. Or if you get a receipt for some of the other tasks, then maybe you can even upload them there and get paid a little bit extra. It does not pay quite as much as the first couple of options where you can earn some quite nice extra money. This will just give a tiny bit extra, but it's a fun and easy extra way to earn a little bit of extra money on the side. So as you can see, it is actually possible to get paid to eat no matter who you are. And some of the options are very easy, and some of them can be very fun and interesting and even pay quite decently. And this was just to give you some examples and then some inspiration, and then you can use some of these exact methods or use that for inspiration for example, looking for food tasting opportunities in your exact location. And if you have any experiences with any of these options to get paid to eat, then I would love to hear from you in the comment below. Just please feel free to share your experiences, and also if you have any questions, just ask and I will personally respond to all questions there. But no matter what, I hope this video helped you, and if it did, then make sure to hit the like button, and also don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out next time there's a video with tips and tricks about different ways to make some extra money on the side online.